in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this window card. So here's the window card. It's called a window card because there's a clear piece right here and you can see through to see the sentiment. So I've started here with all my materials and I'm just going to put most of them aside here. I'm going to start by putting my inside piece together. So this is what I'm going to stamp my message on. And then I'm going to put my window sheet on this top flap. So this is 4 1/4 by 8 1/2. And then this window sheet is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Yep. All right, so now I'm gonna add the bottom piece, which is 1 1/2 by 4 1/4. So I'm just gonna line this up at the bottom of the card here. And then I'm going to decorate the card with this really lovely designer series paper called From My Heart. It's available now. You can go to my website, eStampin.com, and use the hostess code and I will send you a free gift. So we're gonna add this one to the top. This card comes together pretty quickly. So now I'm going to stamp and punch out my heart. So I'm gonna stamp the outline in Flirty Flamingo. And then I'm gonna stamp the sentiment in Real Red. This card would be great for a spouse, a husband, a boyfriend. So now I'm gonna punch it out with one of the heart punches from the Heart Punch Pack that coordinates with the stamp set that I am using. So you've got the Heart Punch Pack, you've got a scalloped heart, and I cut this out of the scalloped heart and this heart. And then this is the stamp set called Heartfelt. And so these two are punched out with this, and this one is punched out with this. And then it has all these other sayings and this cute arrow that I'm gonna show in another card video as well. So I'm just gonna use some adhesive to adhere this onto the Flirty Flamingo. And then I'm gonna add some dimensionals, some mini dimensionals to the top and the bottom in the hopes that they won't be seen on the other side since it's a window card. And then I will stamp this, I will show you how to stamp the sentiment inside. So we'll just put the heart over here. And so now to stamp the sentiment inside, it's a little bit tricky, but I just take a pencil and I mark the bottom and the top of where I want to stamp, and that helps me know. And then I'm gonna take the sentiment, our hearts are meant to be together, and just stamp it over to the left. And then erase the little marks. Don't wanna see those anymore. And you've got your window card. So I hope you try making a window card. Let's see, they're super fun to make, and thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos and check out my website, eStampin.com. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.